Hey guys, it's Joanne here, and today I wanted to bring you a quick review video on a fairly new subscription service to me, and it's called Nadine WEst. Now, the company had contacted me and noticed that I guess I had done some Stitch Fix videos on my channel and on talking about it on some of my lives and over on my vlog channel. They asked me if I would be willing to take a look at their monthly clothing subscription service. So I said, absolutely, because I love to give you guys my honest opinion on the quality and the products and stuff that all these subscription services are offering now. And so I am going to leave all the information for the Nadine WEst subscription in the description box, how much the monthly fees are, and all that kind of fun stuff, so you can go down and check it out in the description box. Everything came to me packaged in a huge pink bubble mailer. This is very similar to the same bubble mailers that Ipsy sends their stuff in, except for it was big. Everything was very nicely tissue wrapped with their little sticker that says Nadine WEst. So I'm gonna show you what they sent me. First of all, they sent me these earrings as accessories, and we're just gonna try to get a zoom in on these earrings. And they are really beautiful. They have like gold, silver, and rose gold accents to it, and they hang down just perfectly. I don't normally wear a lot of earrings because of the fact that I do have long hair, and I just think that it covers my ears most of the time. But this is a nice look because it does kind of dangle through and shows through the bottom of my hair. Absolutely loved these. And all of the accessories came in these cute little mesh pouches that I'm gonna keep and reuse for traveling and such. So thank you, Nadine WEst. Also, the second item they sent me was also an accessory, and it's this leaf bangle, which I thought was just absolutely adorable. It kind of has an antique look to it, and I'll just take it off so you can take a look at the whole bangle. It's beautiful, fully detailed inside and out with the leaf texture. So that was item number 2. Item number 3 was this gorgeous top, and it's a really simple, thin, black zip top. It has a gold zipper accent, and it also is a hood. How adorable is this cute little hood? It sits just below your waist, so it's a very flattering fit. I believe this was an extra large size, but they do have all different kinds of sizings. You can check the description box for how large of a size they actually go to. And the next item they sent me were the leggings. They must have saw that I absolutely love leggings, and these are really cute. I will actually show a full picture of the leggings outside so that you guys can see the fit of the leggings. It has a really nice winter look to the legging, as far as it has some snowflakes in it and just kind of some wintry feel to the pattern I feel on it. And they're black with this like really dark red maroon color. Beautiful, beautiful leggings. They're very comfortable. They do fit a little short in the waist, I will say, just kind of as a word of caution when you're looking to size yourself. So just be cautious of that. And the last item they sent me was this adorable winter white hat. I will show this hat again in my outdoor view of the full outfit. So I don't want to mess my hair up here because I actually had to rebrush my hair after I recorded the full picture of my outfit. But this is just so comfortable, and it fits where you can put it on just a little bit and have it flop over. You can put it on all the way if you want to. Just a really adorable, high quality hat for the winter. Now, they have a whole bunch of different styles of clothing and accessories that they will mix and match for you as they get to know your style, very similar to what Stitch Fix does. So I say definitely give Nadine WEst a shot. I think you might be pleasantly surprised. Again, I will leave all the information for Nadine WEst in my description box. This is not a paid video. They did send me the clothing and the accessories for free for my review. So I want to thank Nadine WEst for giving me the opportunity to give their brand a try. If you like these kind of review videos, guys, please give the video a big thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, hi, I'm Joanne. It is so nice to meet you. If you're new, I would love it if you would subscribe. And Duders wants to say hello. He's begging. Come here. You want to say hello? I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, and that way you will become notified as to when I go live on YouTube and when I upload a video. Also, make sure you check out my vlog channel. It's in the description box. You can subscribe over there. I have a lot of great vlogs that I put up recently of my trip to Scotland. That's it for me today, guys. You guys be awesome. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'm gonna chat with you in my next video. Bye, guys. You wanna say bye?